Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Spotify and moving straight to Settings, then Playback. This puts you where the equalizer lives. Tap Equalizer and accept any system prompt so the app can modify audio output. If your device shows Spotify's built-in controls, enable them. Otherwise, the system equalizer will appear. You do this because the equalizer only works when the audio engine is active. Once you see sliders or presets, you're ready to tune frequencies for clearer vocals or deeper bass. Now you refine sound. Pick a nearby preset as a starting point because presets approximate popular targets quickly. Once selected, adjust individual bands, low frequencies for bass, mids for presence, highs for clarity, moving sliders in small steps of 2 to 4 dB to avoid harshness. Use headphones to judge changes and switch tracks to test how adjustments behave on different music. Make sure to balance loudness so you don't introduce distortion. Once balanced, save a custom preset for future listening sessions. Finish by saving your custom preset so you can recall it instantly. Name it clearly for the use case like podcast clarity or extra bass. Test across fast and slow tracks and swap between headphones and speakers to confirm consistent improvements. If you don't hear changes, force close and reopen Spotify, ensure the correct audio output is selected, and disable other equalizer apps that may override settings. If problems persist, update the app or reboot the device. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.